Good morning, I am meteorologist Steve Krasnowski with your Storm Stoop update from Weather Briefings. This is Thursday, October 29th, 2020, when winter has its eye on you. See what I did there with the eye? Hurricane. Hi, we have a hurricane that is dissipating and merging with a storm, and there'll be some snow. You see what I did there? I know, I'm sorry, it's Thursday, and it's a bit rough. Anyway, let's go in. These are the remnants of Hurricane Zeta. Lots of power outages, lots of flooding behind it in its wake. Currently bringing lots of moisture on east and north, particularly in northeast where they need it badly. So this will be a good soaker for them. We are lit up like a Christmas tree, more to populate shortly across the upper mid-Atlantic and New England. Heavy rain, gusty winds, severe thunderstorms, high surf, snowfall, sharp gusty temperature drops, you name it. This will be quite exciting. As the surface low passes off the Delmarva, watch the cold air drain down the lee side of the Appalachians. In particular from eastern PA down to into Virginia, you can see it there. Rapid southward cold air advection should put on quite a show. Sharp temperature drop and gusty. Flash freeze behind a lot of this rain and or snow that falls. Rapid flash freeze. Continuing on, we have quite a storm. It is supercharged by the thermal sources of its components that you can see here, laid along a seasonal boundary, thus maximizing the Arctic-tropic clash. The warm-cold air advection with the pre-post passage significantly enhances the event. Progressive flow caps the system's ceiling at strong. The limiter here is, if you pay attention, explosive. Progressive forward lean on zonal flow, of which will moderate us as November wears on after the initial cold snap we discussed yesterday. A Pacific Atlantic high contribution dictation is significant. We will have a hurricane adopted as a child low to greater mid-latitude storm. You can see that all here. Just wanted to look here. This is the NAM, and what it's really trying to push is a high altitude event. So the purples, the darker blues, the pinks, those are all high altitude locations. You're looking at a general swath of 1 to 3 inches, probably lower on the lower end for most areas, particularly south of maybe this line here. Very slushy, inch or so. And then finally we have our tropics, a little more quiet, but it is the end of October and almost November. This here has a 60% chance of forming into something, and I want to look at the ensemble models and show you what that looks like. And hello 2020, we still have the possibility of some damaging storms here. It's going to give you a good idea of where it's cutting across and who it's going to affect, and this season just does not want to go away. 60% in October, at the end of October, almost November is almost a certainty. Anyway, so to round it all up, we have a sharp temperature contrast coming for a good portion of the country. We have lots of moisture, leading to possible ending as snow in many locations out in the east, particularly New England and northern New York, and Louisiana and the south are going to try and dry out and clean up from the hurricane Zeta. It's good times all around. All right, tomorrow will be our last update for the month of October. Everything is flying. It's crazy. I'm meteorologist Steve Krasnowski. Have a great day.